This is a final video to stop your Lian Li HydroShift LCD lights from blinking. And if you've been struggling with this issue, you're not alone. Are your HydroShift lights flickering or acting up without reason? This usually happens because of software conflicts or unstable power signals that confuse the LCD controller. Many guides on YouTube or forums show long, confusing steps that waste your time and often don't work. But on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it in just a few clicks by adjusting the lighting control software and syncing it properly with your motherboard. This method is easy, fast, and doesn't require any risky tweaks. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make a detailed guide to get your HydroShift light stable and smooth in no time.